Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from Shikzi.com and welcome in lecture number 15. Today we are going to discuss about the while loop, how while loop works. As you know, loop is used to repeat a block of code. So you know very well that how can you use the for loop. But how can you use the while loop? And first of all, what is while loop? The while loops through a block of code as long as the specific condition is true. Means you can execute a block of code as long as a specific condition is true. How? This is the for loop. I have to comment this. And now I'm saying I have a while loop. So this is the while loop and your condition goes here. Now you have your block of code and your code execute here and you have increment here. Okay, this is the syntax. And how can you use them? I'm saying while x dot length less than equals to 4. Okay, now block of code. Here you can execute a block of code, copy this, paste this here. This is the block of code and you can add, oh sorry, this is not the x and this is the, it was my mistake, I less than equals to 4 and now I'm saying I plus plus. Go to your page, refresh the page, right click, inspect element, console. It's saying is I is not defined because you have to define the I. I'm saying var I equals to 0, where I starts from 0. Go to your page, refresh the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's showing us 100. Okay, it's showing us 200. Okay, it's showing us 300. Okay, it's showing us 400. Okay, so it's showing us undefined. Why it's saying undefined? Because you are starting from 0, so that's why it's showing undefined. You have to add I less than equals to 4. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, fine, because you are adding the equals to sign, so that's why it's showing us. So it's totally depend upon you and your requirement, and in this way your while loop works. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to discuss about the do while loop. So thank you for watching.